Let's take a look at what happened with Tesla today. Let's take a look at the chart. Let's see how we can make money. Let's see how we can make money with that chart. Tesla closed at $313.51, up $3.64, 1.17% up. Post market down by 60 cents. So let's look at what this means on the chart. And let me go on the 1 hour chart right away. Yeah. So we were into a congestion zone not too long ago. Right here, 305.54. 305.54, we have the congestion zone right here. I explained that this week. Blah, blah, blah. We had the break above 305. This was the buy. Boom. So this happened yesterday. Today, what happened today? So today, the first hour of the day was pretty strong actually. We opened lower, opened at 307.55, then went straight up, went straight down, and picked it up again. So we like to see this. We like to see a stock go down, gets pushed back up, down, pushed back up. This is showing us that we have buyers each time showing to bring the stock back up. And then from the fourth hour, so from 12:30 on, boom, we had exhausted the sellers. So we had sellers right here, we had buyers right here, and then the buyers went through. And we even closed above 313.13. So we have a break of that horizontal resistance. So this is a gain. Buyers are pushing the sellers away. This is a gain right here. So this means that we are back into this original congestion zone that we had in the past so from 313.13, this is a number that's still in play right here, up to 331.40. We stayed there in June. This is where we were in June. We had a little bit of a move up and we had a move down, and now we are recovering right now. So this is looking good. This is looking good. Tesla is doing not too bad, and we are in profit, so this is great. What does this mean on the daily chart? Has the move on the 1 hour chart impacted the daily chart? No, not yet. We don't have stochastic over 60 yet. We don't have DMI yet. So the move we have on the 1 hour chart is an hourly move, but it has not yet impacted the daily chart. So if you still own Tesla, this is fine. Keep it. Here, when we were close to 295, even breaking lower for one day, when we were there, then there was a question that maybe it would make sense to sell Tesla stock. But right now we are recovering. The stock is moving higher. No, it's even less the time to sell it. If we get back down lower than 295, yes, this is going to be the time to sell it. But right now this is going higher. We don't sell something that's going higher because that's the whole concept. Buy low, sell high. So if it's going higher, we can take profit, but we should not sell thinking that this is going lower because it's going higher. The daily chart is not impacted yet, and of course the weekly chart, and this is what we are going to look at on our Sunday Tesla Weekly Live that we do every single day for members at the buy alert level and higher. So the weekly chart, we still have stochastic over 60. During the week we had lost it, but it was a partial candle. Now the candle is officially completed. So now we still have stochastic over 60 on the weekly chart. So this is nice. So this is the first bullish sign this is one of the first bullish signs that we have. We are still into a downward channel. That part is not great. But within this, we have stochastic over 60. We don't have DMI. We are having one indicator that is turning bullish. So we are going to take it. Let's take a look at the VIX. So VIX went a little bit higher, nothing too bad, 1639, that's fine. It's still well below 20, it's still below 1658. We can accept that. A 20-year bond, okay, the 20-year bond is a bit of a concern. We have stochastic over 60, we have DMI, so we need to check this. So we might need to be taking some profits on some stocks if the bonds are going a little bit too high. Dow Jones, what's happening there? Dow Jones is basically sideways. We have support at 44,025. SPX, okay day, we are going sideways, we are not really going down. Same thing with Nasdaq, we are right smack on resistance. So we are supposed to cave into those resistance or cross them. So far we are pretty much undecided. And Russell, a little bit of a caving down, but we are still above the 21-day moving average. We still have stochastic, we still have the MI. All is good for that. Let's take a look at the rest. Let's take a look at the rest of the market today. Yeah, not too good overall. Look at this. Lots of red. Yeah, lots of red, some black, and very few green. Let's take a look at some Tesla news that we are getting piped into our Discord server that you can get access from by becoming a member at the private Discord level. Dear Tesla stock fans, mark your calendars for July 15. Tesla announced plans of opening its first showroom in Mumbai, India on July 15th. Goldman Sachs still remains cautious on Tesla shares. So opening up in India, so this is yet another market. This is a big market. This cannot hurt the sales. Also, this news right here. Also, we have this news, Panasonic to delay production at Kansas battery plant as electric car sales decline, policies shift. Panasonic is delaying full production into its DeSoto battery plant because of dropping electric car sales and US policies that do not support electric cars, international media reports. The $4 billion economic development project, billed as the largest in Kansas City, is threatened because of decreased electric car sales at Tesla. So the plant was expected to reach full production by May 27, so it's still far away, and a new target date has not been set. So Panasonic is delaying full production in its DeSoto battery plant because of dropping electric car sales and US policies that do not support electric cars, international media reports. The $4 billion economic development project, billed as the largest in Kansas City, is threatened because of decreased electronic car sales at Tesla and skepticism from Trump about encouraging electric vehicle adoption, according to the Nikkei, to the Nikkei Asian news outlet. So a little bit of a delay there. Yeah, okay, this is understandable. This is not super good news, but this is understandable. Also, Grok 4 came out. Let's not forget about that. This is pretty exciting, and this is going to be put into Tesla cars too. And Jim Cramer sees potential price break in Tesla stock. So, okay, so maybe we should sell. Okay, nice run on the 1 hour chart, but that's it. We still need some catalysts. We still need some good news. We still need good news. We have Robotaxi that is slowly expanding. We have the Optimus robot that is starting to ramp up, and this will ramp up eventually. We need good news. We need good news to pump this stock a little bit. We are going to have the earnings call on July 23rd. So maybe what we are seeing right now is a little bit of anticipation. So maybe we are going to get some good news on that earnings call. Nice outlook for the future. So maybe people are starting to position themselves. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.